विद्यार्थी मित्रो, आजच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपण मेंडेलिव्ह पिरियडिक टेबल याचा स्टडी करणार आहोत. Before the Mendeleev periodic table, you have studied about the Dobereiner-Trites law and Newland's octave law. Mendeleev consider the Mendeleev consider the atomic mass is the fundamental property of the element. Atomic mass is the fundamental property of the element. During the period of the Mendeleev, only 63 elements are known. Firstly, these 63 elements, he arranged the 63 elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses. The first is the hydrogen, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, potassium, and then calcium, and so on. That means firstly he arranged these number of elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses, and then he detailed study about the chemical and physical properties of each element. But before this, which are the chemical properties of the elements and what are the physical properties of the elements? He considered the molecular formulae of the oxides and hydrides of the each element, each known element. That means oxides of the lithium, then oxides of the beryllium, oxides of the boron, oxides of the carbon. That means he take the reaction takes place between the each element with the oxygen and hydrogen, and there is the formation of the oxides and hydrides of each element. That means he take the molecular formulae of the oxides and hydrides of the each element. This is nothing but the chemical property. And he consider the which physical property? Boiling point, then melting point, and densities of the oxides and hydrides of each element. Also he consider the boiling point, melting point, and density of each element. He considered these physical and chemical properties of these elements. At this time he found that when he studied about the oxides of the lithium, oxides of the beryllium, he found that means totally he studied about the oxides and hydrides of the each element. At this time he found that properties of the some elements are repeated after a specific year. That means he found that properties of the lithium and properties of the sodium are similar. That means molecular formula of the lithium, oxides of the lithium and oxide of the sodium are similar. Then the boiling point, melting point, and density which are similar to each other. At the same time he found that properties of the beryllium and properties of the magnesium, that means chemical property and physical property of the beryllium and magnesium are similar, he found that. Then properties of the boron and properties of the elements. That means after a specific interval, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are repeated, and that is nothing but the periodic. What do you mean by periodic? A phenomena, the definition of the periodic is that a phenomena which is repeated in a regular interval. जर एखादी घटना ठराविक कालावधीने पुन्हा पुन्हा घडत असेल तर त्या घटनेला काय म्हणायचं? पिरियडिक. A phenomena which is repeated in a regular interval is known as the periodic. That means which phenomena is repeated after a specific interval? The physical and chemical properties of the elements are repeated after a specific interval. Means properties of the carbon and properties of the silicon are similar. Properties of the oxides of the nitrogen and properties of the oxides of the phosphorus are similar. That means with the help of the increasing of the atomic mass number and physical and chemical properties of the elements, he prepared his law, and that law is nothing but the Mendeleev's periodic law. What do you mean by Mendeleev's periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic masses. Why they consider the atomic masses? Because if the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses, जर आपण हे एलिमेंट इन द इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ द ॲटॉमिक मासेस प्रमाणे मांडले तरच आपल्याला त्याच्या प्रॉपर फिजिकल अँड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी रिपीट झालेल्या आढळून येतात. म्हणून लॉ काय मांडलाय? The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic masses. But in your book, the properties of the elements, the properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic masses. This is the Mendeleev's periodic law. यालाच आपण काय म्हणणार? Mendeleev's periodic law. When he prepared his periodic law for the next generation to simplify the classification of the elements according to the increasing order of their atomic masses, and at the same time he considered the similar properties of the elements, he prepared his periodic table, and that periodic table is nothing but the Mendeleev's periodic table. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? Mendeleev's periodic table. He considered the main two important points when he placed the number of elements in his periodic table. At this time he considered the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses, and at the same time he considered the physical and chemical properties of the elements. Similar physical and chemical properties of the elements are placed in the table. When he prepare his table, at this time he take the 8 vertical columns, and each vertical column is known as a group, and at the same time he take the 12 horizontal row. Each row is known as the period. That means he placed the 63 elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses in a 8 group and 12 period. That is nothing but the Mendeleev's periodic table. He found that the properties of the lithium and sodium are similar. Due to this reason, these two elements are placed in the same group. That means it is placed in the first group. First is the hydrogen, then lithium, and then sodium. Elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses. Due to this reason, hydrogen is placed in the first group element. But the properties of the lithium and sodium are similar. Due to this reason, they are placed in the first group. Then properties of the beryllium and magnesium are similar. Due to this reason, they are placed in a second group, Be and Mg. Lithium, beryllium, then boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Then sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Then potassium and calcium, and so on. That means properties of, he found that the physical and chemical properties of the lithium, sodium, and potassium are similar. Due to this reason, they are placed in a same group. Then he found that the oxides and hydrides of the beryllium, magnesium, and calcium, which are similar, due to this reason they are placed in a same group. That means physically and chemically similar properties of these elements, that means oxides and hydrides of these elements, are placed in the same group. Due to same group, that means any group elements represent the similar property. But I will take the oxides and hydrides of these elements are placed in each group. That means this is the R2O, then R2O3, then R2O5, and then R2O7, where R represents the any element of that group. Then RO, RO2, RO3, and RO4. What is about the hydrides? About the hydrides, where CH4, that means is the element. That means RH4, then REH3, then REH2, and then RH. R means the any element of that group. For example, where sodium, oxides of the sodium, means what? R means element, that means Na2O. This is the oxide. R represent the number of two atoms of the sodium react with the oxygen. That is nothing but the R2O. Today, at the place of the R square O, you can take the R2O, where R means the given element in that group. That means with the help of this, he prepared the periodic table with the help of the increasing order of their atomic masses and physical and chemical similar properties of the elements are placed in the same group. He arranged this periodic table, and that periodic table is known as the Mendeleev periodic table. Only we consider the increasing order of their atomic masses, physical and chemical similar properties of the elements, then which are the chemical properties of the elements, molecular formula of the oxides and hydrides of the elements. What are the physical properties? He considered the which are the physical properties, boiling point, melting point, and densities of the oxides and hydrides of each element, and melting point, boiling point, and density of each known element. He arranged the 63 elements in 8 vertical column. Each vertical column is known as the group, and 7 horizontal row. Each horizontal row is known as the period. When we consider the any group of the element, this group of the elements represent the similar properties. And today stop here.